Zodiac valve. It's one of these. So if you're going to replace the whole valve, you undo the front out of the boat, and then this bit will be inside the tube, and then you have to usually make a slit on the tube and then force this out with the hole. But to change the actual seal on it, you have to get, what I'm going to use is these. And there's a thread inside, so you undo the black part out of the valve. And then you have this. And when you press it in, so to change this part, the seal, you have to pull this off. You feel a little sort of bit of pressure and then it will release. And you see there's this little flappy bit on the top, so once that's off, just pull that out, get the new one, push it through. You're probably best giving it a twist as it's going in. Once it's come through like that, you're going to fold it over very and then you'll feel a click and it's on. And then all you do, you put it back into the valve, and once it's sort of feel a little bit of tension in there, push the valve so that you can free up the plunger, the seal part, and then that will come out the back, so then you can do it up a bit more. That's it. But to be honest, these valves are quite terrible because they almost always still just leak around here. It might be that it's managing to come up through the threads at the side, but also if I show you this, there's not a great deal of sealing. It's like it's that small little gap there, that flat part. So that's probably why it doesn't seal, and even on new ones they don't seem to seal, but that's how you change the seal anyway. One thing that I forgot to mention on the last little clip was that this is the main part that holds the air in on these types of valves, so this is quite an important seal, and all you have to do is just pull it off, change it over, put a new one in, make sure that when you're doing it there's like a recess for the seal to sit in, and once that's in you can screw that up.